Hello everyone, my name is Navi and today I'll talk about how to colorize black and white images. So look at these pictures. Do you think they are old? Yes, they are ancient. The first photo is of 1939, the second one is from Japan and it's from 1860s, and the last one is from World War I. It's a British troop. It's incredible how normal these people look because they are not black and white. So how did I colorize all these images? With neural network. The algorithm consists of 4 steps, which are converting black and white to lab photo, try to understand the contents of the photo, specific database comparison between black and white grayscale pixels, and last, try to map colors from the database. Okay, now let's understand each of the steps with this black and white photo of the dog. So first, the algorithm converts the dog image to a lab photo. Lab stands for lightness, A channel and B channel. The main benefit of working with lab photos is that the lab color space includes all the color which are not even visible to human eyes. Next, the algorithm tries to understand the contents of the image. After understanding the contents of the image, the algorithm looks for the dog database. The database contains the color palette information of specific black and white grayscales. The algorithm's understanding of the content is crucial for not mapping the image to an absurd color, like making human skin look greenish if the algorithm does not understand the human figure. Okay, now the algorithm tries to use the color palette information to colorize the image, and this is how we get colorized photos from black and white images. Okay, let's see this algorithm in action using Python. Before I do that, a quick mention that the database I used is from this GitHub repository. Alright, now let's go to that folder. Okay, so here I have 4 images. It's of Abraham Lincoln and it's from 1864. The second one is a landscape. The third one is my photo, and last one is a sketch. So let's see what the algorithm can do. So this is the Python code. Now I just have to yeah, so images, so a.lincoln 1864 dot. Let's just save it. Now let's open the terminal. Okay, so it's Python 3 and b2w.py. Fingers crossed. And it generated. Alright, it did a pretty good job. Okay, let's terminate it. Open the rigging. Now look at this. Now let's do this with that landscape one. Landscape JPEG. Alright, save it. Open the terminal again. And same code. And just look at this. Yeah. Okay, now let's try with my image. Terminate. Picture 1.png. Save it, open terminal, and run. It did a pretty good job with the face, but the t-shirt color is like not looking normal. But I'm okay with that. Okay, let's try the 4th one, which is a sketch. Let's see what it can do. Save it. And open terminal, same thing, and Wow. All right. So yeah, that's all I have for today. So if you want to get the code, just go to innercode.io and you will get it there. Thank you. So this was my first video. I hope you like it. Just give it a like and subscribe maybe. All right, bye.